Hello, I'm Thinev. Today we'll be talking about a passerine bird that hunts like a swallow. The ASHY woodswallow. The ASHY woodswallow, sometimes called the ASHY swallowshrike, is a wood swallow. A chunky, large-headed bird of open areas, usually found perched on wires or flying around in search of insects. The species is widely distributed across Bangladesh, India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Myanmar, Laos, Malaysia and China. Like other wood swallows, it has a short curved bill, a short square tail and long wings, soft gunmetal grey and with white underparts. It is usually seen perched in groups high on power lines, often found pressed together in pairs or tight groups when it rests. Sometimes fly in the same areas as swallows and swifts, but has a much thicker bill with triangular, somewhat starling-like wings, the only wood swallow throughout most of its range. Their calls are like locally named Wanalihiniya. I have not seen the ASHY woodswallow. It can be seen across Sri Lanka except the high hills. One such area is Polonnaruwa. Sri Lanka has many ancient cities. However, Polonnaruwa is the most popular among tourists because all the ancient ruins are mostly located in one area. If you ever visit Sri Lanka, don't forget to try this place.